Good morning, friends. Today I will tell you how to manage and motivate your team members. Alone we can do so little, but together we can do much, much, much. No matter how talented you are as an owner, truth be told, you cannot grow your business alone. You need a talented team. Even the most successful company today hire team to further expand and grow their business. Manage your team require organizational, interpersonal and technical skills. Here I will tell you 5 tips that will help you manage your team effectively. So tips number 1, share your vision for the business. You know, each business has own vision. Therefore, as a leader, your job is to align your team with the business vision. The team must understand the importance of their role in fulfilling the vision of company. The team should know why they are working for the company so that you can motivate to get involved in accomplishing business goals together. On weekly basis, you can also remind the team of their important role. Please do this at the beginning of the day so they are motivated to give their best throughout the week. Tips number 2, set an example. If you want your team to go forward, you need to do the same. Effective leaders lead by example. Ensure you too are following the rules that you set for your team. For example, if you implement a rule in the organization not using a social media at work and you break it, what impact do you think it will have on your team member? Of course, they'd feel disgraced seeing you break the rule, and it might be difficult for you to establish a certain discipline for your employees in the future. Tips number 3, evaluate the performance. Giving your team member regular feedback about their performance allows them to realize their strength and weaknesses. It will help them to focus the area that needs an improvement. You can also take this opportunity to share your expectation from them as a leader of the team. Tips 4, celebrate small and big with wins together. When your team manager to accomplish a goal, no matter how big or small it is, you should celebrate it together. This is also one way to build rapport and to improve the working relationship of the team. Tips 5, recognize and reward your team. Identify the member or group to do the extraordinary things. Reward them so they feel more motivated to complete their work and work as a team. Listen to their suggestions and concerns. Pupil like open-minded leader. Let your team members share their suggestions, ideas, and concerns. Give them time to speak and listen to them. Ask questions to the team can be more open. Everyone views, suggestions, and concerns should be heard properly. Things are very small as I discussed, but I suppose very effective. Once you try it and you get benefit. If you like and you get the benefit, please do like, comment and share with your friends so that he too can become a good leader. Thank you very much.